morning. Kiara is headed somewhere. Kiana will ride this afternoon. This is Kiara riding by herself this morning. And she goes back and forth to each window. And she like to see the people's dogs in the neighborhood. She's looking right now because people are walking their dogs. It's early in the morning. It's really nice out too. It really is. This is a real short ride. But this is just kind of, that back area is hers. She's too big to sit in the front. And Kiana, I don't think she's gonna get as big as Kiara, but she'll probably get as tall. Tall like her too. Cause Kiana's just 7 months old, so she still got some growing to do. But Kiara's thick, and Kiana, I don't know. I don't think she might be as thick, but. So she can sit in the front for right now. I think Kiana always be able to fit in the front. Yeah, this is just her going back and forth to each window. Looking at the cars, looking at the people and the kids looking at her. And there she is. Getting excited. Anytime she do that turn, she gets excited. There go that tail. She sees some kids. Yeah, it's just a short little ride. I'm getting ready to pull up at this store. Yeah. I just wanted to take y'all on a quick ride. A quick trip. She's looking at the window. She's excited.